Probably the most exciting and most rewarding part of the app development process is getting your apps ready for upload.
This video is brought to you by Pies Academy.
To the various app stores. Now, I'm working on a PC, so I'm going to show you a bit about getting your app ready to upload as an Android app. Now, you need a number of tools, so you might want to watch this video a couple of times or at least make some notes. Now, the easiest way to do this is to go to build.phonegap.com. If you already have an Adobe Cloud account, Adobe will actually build your PhoneGap apps for you. Here's an app I did called the Chicago Food Truck app, and I actually have this ready to build using Adobe PhoneGap Build. In fact, the APK, which is the native Android package file, I can just download this and actually install this on an Android machine. Now, you're going to have to go through a key signing process to make sure that the app was legitimately produced by you, and you can read the documentation for that. It's fairly straightforward if you follow the steps. Now, if you don't want to use PhoneGap Build, you can actually build your applications on the command line. So here you can see I've got the PhoneGap Build Android command. Now, in order for that command to work, I actually have to go through the process of installing first the PhoneGap command line interface. You can get that right here, docs.phonegap.com, getting started, -install-phonegap/CLI. This gives you the instructions for installing the PhoneGap app. Now, this is actually a little more complex than it looks. All you have to type to install the PhoneGap app is npm install-g PhoneGap at latest. But in order for that to work, you have to have Node.js installed and Git. And it gives you the links to both of those. So first install Node.js and then Git. These are single-click installs. So once you have those two installed, you can then go ahead and go to your command line and type the npm install-g command. That'll install the PhoneGap command line commands. You just saw me use PhoneGap Build Android. You could also use PhoneGap Run Android. Now, in order for this to build, you actually need two more tools. The Android Studio, which is the official native IDE for Android, has a Windows or a Mac version. It's quite a big download. You can get it from developer.android.com/studio. You can download and install this. This will manage the different versions of the Android operating system on your own computer. So you'll need to download and install this, and then download and install current versions of the Android Software Development Kit. You can do that right from the Studio software. Also to build, you'll need Java SE, the Java Software Development Kit, and this also comes in versions for Windows or Mac. Make sure you click to accept the license agreement before you download. This is also just a single-click download and install. Once you download this, just double-click the file, and it'll go ahead and install on your machine. So that's a whole bunch of tools you need for building your actual Android applications. iOS has its own separate set of tools that you need to build those. It seems like a lot, but once you've gone through the process once or twice, you'll be able to pretty easily build, sign, and release your applications to the Android App Store or the iOS App Store. So check out your documentation, because this process changes frequently, and best of luck.